Dallas homeowners know that comfort comes at a cost, especially during long, hot summers and occasional winter cold snaps. If your energy bills seem to climb year after year, your windows and doors could be a major contributor. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors is one of the smartest investments you can make to improve comfort, reduce utility expenses, and enhance your home's overall performance. Here's how energy-efficient upgrades make a meaningful difference for Dallas homes. Designed for Dallas heat, Dallas summers bring intense sun and high temperatures. Older windows and doors, particularly single-pane glass or poorly insulated units, allow heat to pass through easily. This forces your air conditioning system to work overtime just to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Modern energy-efficient windows feature double or triple pane glass argon or krypton gas fills low emissivity coatings. Insulated vinyl or fiberglass frames. Low E coatings reflect infrared heat while allowing natural light to enter. This means you can enjoy bright interiors without excessive heat gain. Combined with insulated frames, these features significantly reduce solar heat transfer. Energy-efficient doors, particularly fiberglass or steel models with insulated cores, provide similar protection. They block outdoor heat from entering and help maintain steady indoor temperatures. Preventing air leaks and drafts. Even small gaps around windows and doors can lead to major energy loss. Drafts allow cooled air to escape in summer and heated air to escape in winter. Energy-efficient models are built with advanced weather stripping and tight compression seals. When professionally installed, they create an airtight barrier that minimizes unwanted airflow. For Dallas homeowners, reducing air leakage means your HVAC system runs less frequently, lowering both energy use and wear on equipment. Improving year-round comfort. Energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's about daily comfort. If certain rooms in your home feel hotter than others or drafty near windows and doors, outdated units may be to blame. Modern replacements help stabilize indoor temperatures, eliminating hot and cold spots. In Dallas, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically between seasons, consistent comfort makes a noticeable difference in everyday living. Lowering utility bills. When your home retains conditioned air more effectively, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard. This translates into lower monthly utility bills. Over time, the energy savings from efficient windows and doors can offset the initial investment. Many homeowners notice measurable reductions in cooling costs during Dallas summers. Additionally, reduced strain on HVAC systems can extend equipment lifespan, potentially lowering long-term maintenance and replacement costs. Reducing outside noise. Another benefit of energy-efficient windows and doors is sound reduction. Multi-pane glass and insulated frames help dampen outside noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby construction. For Dallas homeowners living near busy roads or active neighborhoods, this added noise control enhances relaxation and privacy. Increasing home value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to potential buyers. Homes with updated windows and doors often stand out in the market because buyers recognize the long-term savings and comfort benefits. In addition, new windows and doors enhance curb appeal. Modern styles, clean lines, and customizable finishes allow you to refresh your home's exterior while improving performance. A smart investment for Dallas living. Dallas weather demands durable, efficient solutions. Energy-efficient windows and doors offer protection from heat, reduce air leaks, improve comfort, and lower utility costs. If you're looking to create a more comfortable, cost-effective home, upgrading your windows and doors is a practical step forward. With the right products and professional installation, you can enjoy year-round comfort while keeping energy expenses under control.